This is a Piri Piri chicken soup made in the Ninja soup maker. It's really easy to make with not too many ingredients. So I've added a small chopped potato, then some chopped up red pepper and onions. So you don't have to chop it up this small. I was just testing out the Ninja chopper to see how small I could get it. But you can just chop it up in a normal way if you want to. Then I've got some red chilli and garlic. This was actually frozen. But you can obviously just use fresh if that's what you have. Then I have added a squirt or about a tablespoon of tomato puree. Don't have to measure it out, just add in what looks like a tablespoon. Just adds a bit of extra flavour. Then some peri peri seasoning. I've used 1 tablespoon in total. So you can use less if you want a less intense flavour. It's up to you. Then I've added a little bit of ground black pepper. This again is optional, but I quite like adding that to my soups. Then, so I've added passata. I do actually prefer adding chopped tomatoes to this recipe, but that's all I had, so passata will do instead. It's okay. Then I've used about 3 or 4 boneless chicken thighs. Just chopped them up slightly and then stirred them in. And then add hot water, stir it around a little bit, add as much hot water as you can up to the line. Then pop the lid on and set it off on the chunky soup setting. You could obviously use smooth if you prefer, but I quite like this soup on chunky. So then when it's finished, take the lid off and we'll have a quick look and see how chunky it is. So what I'm going to do is pop the lid back on and do a sort of quick pulse just to change the consistency a little bit. So it'll just chop it up a little bit smaller. So just press it a few times like that. That's it. And then you can see it just blending a little bit more. And that's it. You can serve the soup, add any toppings you want to. So I've added some coriander, chopped coriander, and that's it, ready to go. If you want more soup maker recipes, don't forget to subscribe below, or you can head over to Liana's kitchen where there's lots of different varieties. Thanks for watching. See you next time.